So our next step is going to be to combine all of these kinds of movements into a single progression. Before that, however, I'd like to just play these for you. I'm going to use an organ sound, and let's hear how this sounds. So here's the bass movement by third. I'm rearranging the pitches because I have a very small keyboard. It's 2 octaves, and I'm just rearranging the pitches, but it's the same voice leading. So here's our 1 chord to 6 to E flat. So each of those voices. Okay, hold on. There we go. Good old MIDI sometimes doesn't work. So if our bass line goes, here it is with the tenor. With the alto. Here it is with the soprano. And all together. Listen to the movement by fifth. I can play on pretty much all of these. I think for you, I have to rearrange the voices so it fits on my tiny keyboard. It's that one, second one, this one, and the final one. Sorry, MIDI gets caught sometimes. Here's this progression. I'm going to rearrange the pitches slightly so it fits. We're in the key of B flat. Here's a 2 chord. Okay. Music often progresses that way. And finally, movement by second. I'm going to start here and play to the end because my keyboard's not big enough. But I can do this. There's the 2, 3, 4, 5. We could go one more to 6. At that point, the voices are colliding with one another. Listen to that, what I just played. Okay, if you had done it the low rent way, it would have sounded like this. Okay, that sounds like one melody doubled in chords. Here it is with independent voices. So that's